You have the hot pepper Chilaca. It looks like this. Has a little logo on the back. And you unfortunately have forgotten your PIN, pattern, or password. And no matter what you do, you can't remember it. You didn't remember to write it down. The good news is we can reset the phone and erase the screen lock. The bad news is we have to factory reset the device. So let's learn. Let's start by powering off the device. And we are going to hold it vibrated, so it's off. So now we're going to hold volume up and power at the same time. I like to push volume up a little bit before, volume up, power. And just a few seconds, we're waiting for a little tiny white menu to show up and let go with both fingers. All right. Now with only volume up, you're going to press to make that arrow, oh, went too far. Only volume up. Press to make that arrow touch at recovery mode. And now we're going to don't push power, push volume down for OK. Push volume down for OK. There we go. Now the hot pepper software is now going to reset, and we're waiting for the, I think, no command fallen Android pops up next. At the no command fallen Android, we're now going to hold down power and quick touch volume up. Hold down power, quick touch volume up. And now we are at the Android recovery menu, and we can verify a hot pepper Chilaca. All right, with the volume keys now, we're going to scroll down to wipe data factory reset. And then now we press OK power. Now wipe all user data. This cannot be undone. We got to scroll down once with volume to choose factory data reset. Press OK with power. And then anywhere from a few seconds to a minute or two, we can verify that the data wipe is complete. And now it is safe to reboot the system. Now, if you have set up your hot pepper with your Gmail or your Google account, you will 100% need to log back in with your Gmail or Google account, especially if you've turned on the Find My Device security option on your hot pepper. Hey, if this has helped you, please like, please subscribe. Hey, and if you need a quick little trip on how to never forget your PIN, password, or pattern, or always remember it, watch this video next.